Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sunyang token. Ticker symbol is Suya, S-U-Y-A. Now this is a Tron TRX token on the Tron blockchain, a meme coin, obviously named after Justin Sun. All these meme coins that are very popular, most of them have the word sun in them somewhere, like Sundog, Suncat, Sunned to the Sun token, you know. And then we have this one, Sunyang, which is trending number 7 right now on Dex Screener. Actually just came out 11 hours ago, brand new token, very popular today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has a $2 million market cap right now, and it just came out under 12 hours ago. $2 million is also their fully diluted valuation. Now they have a 24-hour trading volume so far of $1.5 million. They've had 6,845 transactions, and this token is up 2,461% in the past 24 hours. Token price is 0.002 USD, and they have $165,000 in liquidity in Sunswap. And according to Dex Screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, yeah, it says 11 hours, 8 minutes ago this token came out. And on Dex Screener, you can find their Twitter and their Telegram. Now, I don't see a web page as of yet. Maybe it's listed somewhere else. I'm going to check in a couple other places. Now, Tron, it is definitely Tron season right now. A lot of the videos I've been posting recently are Tron-related meme coins that are super popular, millions of dollars of market cap. It's kind of like when it was Solana season and Base Chain had a good run. But yeah, all these tokens, a lot of them have to do with Justin Sun, with the name Sun in it. A lot of them are red. Around the same time I'm uploading this video, I'm going to be uploading a token called Fred, which is a red meme coin on Tron, and that one is trending number 1 on Dex Tools and Dex Screener. And then there's also another one called Red Bull that I'm going to be uploading as well. So those are 2 other very popular meme coins. And if you check out the 3 that I uploaded this morning, there was Sun Lion, Mun Cat, and Mun Dog, which is based off Moon, Sun, Mun together, and Sun Cat and Sun Dog were 2 very popular Tron tokens. So check out all the videos I posted today if you're interested in very popular Tron meme coins. Now their Telegram, if you want to follow that, is at Sunyang_Tron, and they have 23,297 subscribers. That is a lot of Telegram subscribers. And you can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token, along with their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. And their Twitter here, actually, let me pull it up here. Oops, I deleted the Twitter off of there for some reason. Let me find that. So yeah, the Red Bull token, the Suya token, and Suncat, Fred, Sun Lion, all these tokens are trending too, like in the top 10 or the top 30 on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. And yeah, there's so many popular tokens. And if you want to get this token, let's go over that here as I pull up this Twitter. If you're looking to get the Suya token, basically all you would have to do is get a wallet for Tron token. So you could use a Tron Link wallet, is a very popular one. You would fund that wallet with TRX, and you could fund it from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links down there in the description box that you could use. So you'd fund your wallet with TRX. You would go into the dApps and find Sunswap, and then you would trade your TRX for the Suya token using the contract address that you can find right there on their Twitter. I just pulled up their Twitter, and I'm going to put it on the screen right here at Sunyang_Tron. Contract address is right there. Now their Twitter just joined in August 2024. Has a link to their Telegram right there that I was talking about. It says Sunyang Suya on Tron is Justin Sun's personal cat who knows Tron secrets. So another big trend in crypto is naming tokens after, you know, famous crypto people's animals, their cats, their dogs. Even Tydan is Justin Sun's robot dog. So they're saying that this is his personal cat. Now, I haven't verified that. Maybe there's pictures on here. There's only 8 tweets so far. So basically, that's probably, besides the Telegram and the charts, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, and Tron Scan. These are basically the only places you could find info on this token so far. So this has 2,304 followers on the Twitter. It's not as popular as that Telegram with 23,000. It says, Suya is entering the game. Everyone get ready. And it says they're doing their first airdrop. Follow us on Twitter, like and repost this post, tag 3 friends, and there's a prize pool available of $1,000. And so the airdrop, it says, will happen August 25th, so you could get involved with that right now. And they show you where to buy. Sunpump.meme is another place to buy there as well. And yeah, so basically check out all those tweets there. Lastly, let's just talk about the info on DEX Tools here. It says they have 2,720 holders so far. Now there's a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and that is also their circulating supply. They have 526.74 thousand pooled TRX tokens in Sunswap, which is equivalent to 40.91 million pooled Suya tokens. And they have a community trust score of 100% out of 27 votes. Now their DEX score is only 90 or is 78 out of 99. They lost a lot of points because they don't have a web page. So hopefully they come out with a web page soon. Maybe some more socials. You know, lots of updates, things like that. You know, that type of thing. We'll keep the project going if the devs are active and people in the community are active. But we'll find out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think it is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.